to welcome back. So today I'm going to expose Amazon. So as you can see, my wife purchased this simple human. So it was still on sale. So she bought 2 more. But unfortunately, when we received the package, one of them looks brand new. This one has all this freaking sticker. And seems like somebody returned it and somehow they reship it to us, okay? So yeah, my wife and I are pretty pissed off because as a Prime member, you don't expect this kind of situation happen to you. So I'm gonna open it up. This is brand new. Come with all this pamphlet, sample. Here is the charging cable. And this is the soap dispenser. As you can see, it is taped in a plastic bag. And you can tell it is brand new, okay? And we go ahead and turn this on. And you can see the blue lights come on. I test out the pump. So the pump is working, okay? Let me turn it off. So this one is fine. I'm gonna show you this one. I use a knife and cut it open. So everything looks pretty new. And then a sample, okay? The charging cable looks brand new. Unfortunately, I'm not sure if the previous buyer, they swap out the soap dispenser. Let me show it to you. It's a discoloration right here. Scratch here. And then a scratch there. Look at that. It's being used. And then this thing turned to like a greenish, yucky color. Right here at the top looks nasty. And the lid is coming off and on loose. And when I flip it, look at that. That is so disgusting, okay? I'm not sure how many germs has been built up already. So yeah, this one, the tape is already been opened. This is the original tape right here. So I guess one of the buyer swap out their old one and then got the new one or something. So when I turn it on, it doesn't even turn on. The battery is dead, so I don't even bother to recharge it anyway. So we're going to return this back to Kohl's. So I'm not sure if Amazon is gonna send us a brand new one or what's going on. So anyway, just to give you guys a heads up, or if Amazon is watching this video, make sure you train your employees well enough. Don't send out refurbish or the customer return item back to a customer. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. As always, peace.